Okay, question number 5. The first and second terms of an arithmetic progression. So, arithmetic progression are tan theta and sine theta. Okay, so the important thing is it's an arithmetic progression, and the first term is tan theta, and the second term of your arithmetic progression is sine theta, where theta is between 0 and pi by 2. Okay, so the range is just 90 degrees. Given that theta is pi by 4, find the exact sum of first 40 terms. So sum of 40 terms we need. We know the formula for the sum of n terms is n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Okay, and so for this reason, what do we need? We need d, and we need n, we have 40, n is we need 40, and we need a. Okay, so a is your first term. So as they have given you the value of the theta, so we can substitute in and find the values. So tan of pi over 4 is 1, and sine theta, sine of pi over 4 is root 2 over 2. Okay, so what we will get our common difference to be. Common difference is the difference between any two consecutive terms, so it will be root 2 over 2 minus 1. Okay, and a will be equals to 1. Now let's plug in the values. Sum of 40 terms equals 40 over 2, 2 times 1 plus 40 minus 1 times d is root 2 over 2 minus 1. Now find these directly, find it with the calculator, or we need to find exact sum. Okay, so don't use the calculator, do solve it manually and write the answer in the square root form. So it will become 20 times 2 plus 39 root 2 over 2 minus 1. So this will be 40 plus 20 times 39 would be 780. Root 2 over 2 minus 1. And when we simplify it further, it will become 40 plus 780 divided by 2 would be 390. 390 root 2 minus 780. So this will give you 390 root 2 minus 740. So this is your exact solution for first 40 terms sum. Okay, we are done with part A. Now let's do part B. So part B1 is okay, the first and second terms of the geometric progression. So the important thing is that now it is a geometric progression. Okay, so underline this. So there you are not going to use the wrong formulas. This is a geometric progression, so now we are going to use geometric progression formulas. Again, the first and second terms are a1 is tan theta and a2 is sine theta. Range is the same. Find the sum to infinity of the progression in terms of theta. Okay, so we know the formula for sum to infinity in geometric progression, a over 1 minus r. Okay, a1 is the same, the first term, and r is the common ratio. So how do we get r? R is the ratio of two consecutive terms, so second term over first term, so sine theta over tan theta, or you simplify it to get, because tan theta is actually sine theta over cos theta. So it will be giving you cos theta. Now let's substitute the values. A is tan theta and 1 minus r is cos theta. So yeah, that's fair enough. We just need to find the sum to infinity in terms of theta, so this is fine. Now part B2, they say that now theta is given to be pi over 3. What is pi over 3? Actually 60 degrees. Okay, we need to keep it in the radians form. Find the sum of the first 10 terms of the progression given. Give your answer to correct to 3 significant figures. Now this is the same question for the same geometric progression because it is the same part B. So let's take that. Now they say theta is pi over 3 and we need sum of first 10 terms. So first write the formula for sum of first 10 terms. It is a times 1 minus r to the power n over 1 minus r. Okay, and we need a and r, both of them. Let's write that to be n. So first term is tan theta. So tan theta means tan of pi over 3. So that is root 3. R is cos theta. We just found in the our part that r is cos theta. So let's substitute directly in that the theta value. So cos of pi over 3 gives you 1 over 2. So that's fine for solving this question. This is all that we need. So we need sum of 10 terms. So a is root 3. 1 minus r is half to the power 10 over 1 minus half. So this will give you, we can now directly find it from the calculator because now they haven't mentioned that we need to find the exact value. So do 1 minus 1 over 2 to the power 10, then multiply it with root 3 and divide it with 1 minus 1 over 2. You get it to be 3.4607. Now we need to give the answer to 3 significant figures, so just it would be 3.46. Okay, so yeah, this is your whole working for your part B of question number 5, and this is your question 5. I hope you get it.